this side. In this video I'll demonstrate my networking task. This is based on simulating the ping utility which is used to test the connectivity between devices over network. Main function of this code is to send ICMP echo request packets to host and receive echo reply packets in response. Here user can enter host name accordingly to his wish, and also he can enter number of ping also. Now let's see the code. First we imported some libraries like socket to create network connection, time to calculate RTT round trip time, struct to help in packing or unpacking the binary data, and OS use system level operations. Now then we created ICMP packet. Here we use type 8, and this is used for request, and we use type 0 for the reply. Here we use checksum, which is used to ensure data. Here we use checksum, you can see here, which is used to ensure data integrity, and it verifies that the packet is not corrupted. In next part, here I created an ICMP echo request packet and send it to this destination using raw socket, and then I record the send time to calculate the round trip time when the reply is received. In next this receive ping part, in this part my program wait for the ICMP echo reply using sockets, and when reply is received it calculated the round trip time and updates the statics, and if no reply is received within timeout it marks that the packet is lost. And at last this is ping host. It is a functional call where the ping function is executed with the given host as input to test network connectivity. Now we will run this code. Now see the output in terminal. So if we have to see, our host is Facebook. If you see facebook.com, number of being 2, then here we can see the result, and here we have statics also like packet sent, receive, lost, average time. Then in same way we can see output for Google also. Just see this for being, we can see the output for any of the hosts like google.com, Bing, Yahoo, Facebook. And at last we'll see if the host is not available. Now you can see invalid host if the host is not. Thank you.